So ready? It's just the Taiho rubber keycaps. So as you see here for Cherry MX type. Oh my goodness. Yo, what is going on guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'll be unboxing the Taiho rubber keycaps for my Ducky 1-2 Mini. So guys, a lot of you guys know that I made a video of unboxing the Ducky 1-2 Mini, and basically I wanted to get better keycaps for it. So basically I got these rubber keycaps. So guys, before we dig into this video, guys, do smash like, subscribe if you are new, and guys, if you do play Fortnite, make sure you do use code FLUXY in your random shop like that. It honestly means the world to me. So let's jump into the video and let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see, here are the keycaps in this package right here. So basically it's just literally a small package. It's just got everything in here. As you can see, this awesome skill of me scoring on my username. But yeah, of course I got. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna go into the box here. I'm gonna angle my camera down a little bit. But sorry if the camera quality is a little bit bad because my lighting is yellow white, and yet just makes it really look bad. So yeah, I will be getting one better soon. So guys, let's get into the unboxing. Alright guys, so as you can see, here is my Ducky keyboard here. So as you see, it's literally got no keycaps except for the original ones, like just the red. I go red with mine. So basically, I'm just gonna unbox these. I really needed these because yeah, basically every time I played, my fingers would like slip off whenever I was playing with a keyboard and mouse. But yeah, as a lot of you guys know, I just unboxed this Ultralight Phantom mouse. So as you see, it's like blue. It's got the blue parts of it. So obviously, I got blue keycaps because most of my setup is blue. And yeah, I'm hoping to get like a load of blue accents. So I'm gonna cut open this package now. And yeah, hopefully everything is fine in the package. So this little easy package to open. It's not like any bubble wrap or anything. It doesn't feel like it. And yes, there we go. There is rubber keycaps. Sorry about this. So ready? It's just the Taiho rubber keycaps. So as you see here for Cherry MX type. Oh my goodness, these actually look super nice, guys. Let me just try to get the focus. It's sort of got like my Xbox in the background, but yeah, as you see, it's just the blue ones. I'm just gonna unbox these. So rubber double shot backlit keycaps. So let's unbox these. It's diamond texture, anti-slippery, ease typing figure over both hands and increasing typing speed. Now, I'm pretty sure I got these off of eBay. Yes, I actually did. I got these off of eBay, guys. So off of Taiho on eBay, I'm pretty sure. So you guys can just check it out. It's literally just like up Taiho rubber keycaps, and then yeah, this should pop up. So as you see here, sorry about the lighting, guys. Let me just point it away. Alright guys, so hopefully that is a little bit better for you. It still is a little bit blurry, but yeah. Anyway, we're going to take this open and you will be able to see. Somehow I can get this zoom. It's got like a nice like foam thing that it's on. And yeah, I'm not going to touch them just yet. So as you see here is all the keycaps. I got the 18 set. So basically it comes with WSD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then the 4 arrow keys. Not 7, what am I saying? 1 to 6 and then just the arrow keys. So basically, as you know, in the 60% keyboard, it actually doesn't come with arrow keys unless you want to put it on here. But I just prefer it with all the different letters. So we got this little keycap right here. It sort of feels, yeah, it feels super cheap, like just plasticky. So I'm probably going to use the one that actually came with the Ducky, which is this one right here. I see, pretty fresh. So yeah, I'm going to pearl these on, but first of all, let's feel what these are like. So I'm just going to pearl out the W. Oh my goodness, it actually feels so much better. They feel a little bit different than what I thought they would be. Like, they're not as rubbery, but yeah, they're still like the exact same. But oh my goodness, that actually feels super nice. And yet also, it already feels more grippy, like more texture, if you know what I mean. Well, obviously because it's got the diamond texture. So right now I'm just going to take off all of my keycaps. I'll just speed this process up as it will take quite a long time. So yeah, let's put in all of the 1, 3, 6 and then the WSD. So basically I will be putting the arrow keys on. So yeah, I obviously don't have them. So let's take these off now. Alrighty, so I just took off the WSD and then the numbers. So first of all, I'm just going to put all these ones on, because yeah, just, well, these are the main ones that you do use. So I got 136 here. Let me just quickly get that one. And as you guys know, these are actually backlit, so that means the light will actually shine through them. So the 2 is like clear, and basically whenever you put that up to it, it will go through. So as you see, I'm just going to put it up so it focuses. So yeah, it's got the diamond texture on it, which looks super, super nice. And yeah, I'm going to put these in now. So we got 2 right there. I'm actually gonna not look at that yet, so let's take the power out, let's put these in, and then we'll do a final reveal of all the colors at the end. So these are actually for the cherry switches. Well, my ones are anyway, so I got the cherry brown switches, and yeah, these already look super nice on it. But yeah, let's try to get these on quickly. Alrighty, so we got them on. So I got a new now is just change these ones that are right here, and yeah, these are ones that also I use for keybinds. So there's F, E, and Q, and then D. Get that. Oh my goodness, can I actually get this? And then we need to get R off as well. So yeah, I actually got all these keycaps. They actually look super nice already. I wish that I sort of got like the blue ones like for the Ducky one, but unfortunately I ended up didn't. So yeah. Alrighty, so there we go. We got all the keycaps on right now. So as you can see, I'm just going to turn this around for you. So yeah, it looks super clean already. We got all of them keys on there. Just going to let it try focus. So yeah, now we're going to plug it in and see what it actually looks like. And yeah, these already feel super nice when I was printing them in. Like it feels so textured. Like I didn't think they're going to be this good. So yeah, I definitely recommend if you guys are planning to get these, especially on eBay. I got them super cheap and it was actually really fast shipping. It only came over in a week, which usually a lot of people text them a few months. So yeah, I definitely recommend to get it off eBay if you can. So now we're going to plug this in and see how nice it actually looks. So let's plug this in 3, 2, 1, and oh my goodness, that actually looks super nice the way it shines through. Although it's sort of blurry for you guys, but yeah, just look how nice that looks. It shines through the letters super easy. And yeah, this means that you'll be able to see it if you do play it in the dark. Well, yeah, you can sort of feel it. So now I'm going to feel it and see what it feels like. So oh my goodness, that actually feels super nice already. Super more grippy on the actual keyboard than what it already was. So, alright guys, so these keycaps are actually super nice and I definitely recommend all of you guys get them because yeah, this looks super awesome and they shine through super well. Like basically if you play in the dark, you'll be able to see them super easily. So now all I gotta do now is just change the colors this. So therefore, I don't really need the ones where it used to be normal color because basically through these keycaps, I had to put in 3 different colors because they're all just the same. The only thing that you are losing whenever you get these rubber keycaps, guys, is actually the macros on the keys. So as you see here is number 1. As you see, it comes with F1 on it, as well as that it does have the exclamation mark. So that's the only thing you are losing whenever you do get these. But yeah, basically I've already learned what these things are, so yeah, it isn't really too bad for me anyway. But yeah, make sure you do keep this thing that it does come in, put in all the keys in it, and then it should be fine, guys, because therefore you'll be able to like read off it what it is and stuff like that. So that's probably what I'm gonna do, just in case I forget any keys. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys to get this because the reason why I got this is actually it matches my mouse super well. Like the color matches literally perfect. Although you guys can't really see it much on the camera, it just looks really good on real life. So yeah, the keycaps do actually come in a load of different colors, but I just decided to get blue because obviously I'm making my setup blue, and yeah, it just looks super awesome. So guys, I definitely recommend all of you guys get these if you are planning to, because they definitely do feel a lot better. Like my hands won't be slipping off them at all. So as you see, one of my feet is actually down. So yeah, basically like my fingers barely slip off it, and as you see here, slides off really easily on here doing the exact same. I can feel the difference. Like it's not really going to be going off compared to whenever you press them down, it just slides. So yeah, these are super awesome, guys, and they do shine super well. Alright guys, so unfortunately that is in this video, and if you guys are going to get these things, I definitely recommend, because it just makes my keyboard look super clean, and yeah, it just shines through really well. So you definitely do get these if you are planning to, but make sure you do learn your keyboard setup of all the other ones, like the macros and everything, if you do have a 60% keyboard, because obviously you're losing that effect. So guys, unfortunately that is in this video. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you guys do smash the like, subscribe if you are new, and guys, make sure you use the support creator code FLUXY in your Fortnite item shop. It honestly means the world to me, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, peace. Bye.